Hey everyone, Technomentor here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the home button on screen on your iPhone on the latest iOS version. So let's get started. So if you want to get the home button, which doesn't come with a full screen iPhone any longer, you can actually enable it, a virtual home button. In order to do that, first thing you're going to do is go into your setting of your iPhone. From there on, we're going to go down to accessibility. And from accessibility, we'll click on touch here. And then the home button comes with this feature called AssistiveTouch. So by default, it's turned off. So if you click on it, we'll see here there's AssistiveTouch, which allows you to do other functionalities like you would with the physical button on virtually on your iPhone. So if I turn this on, there's going to be a circle that pops up that imitates a virtual home button for your iPhone. So if I click on this and then there's a home button, you can just go ahead and click on it. Now if you click on it, you'll see there's multiple options as well for it. You can do it for gesture, notification center, custom, all of these other features that are available. But if I click on this, if I'm on an app, right, I click on it, it will take me back to the home button instead of swiping up and stuff. So if you like that home button, you can move it around just like that. And if you ever want to turn it off, just go back into that setting, accessibility touch, and turn that off. But that's how you get a home button on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone, iPad, and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.